predicting the result of genetic crosses and the legacy of Mendel. Punnett square. It is used to predict the expected result of a genetic cross by considering all the possible combinations of gametes in a cross. It was named after its inventor, Reginald Punnett. Reginald Crandall Punnett, FRS, was a British geneticist who compounded with William Patterson the Journal of Genetics in 1910. Punnett is probably best remembered today as the creator of the Punnett square, a tool still used by biologists to predict the probability of possible genotypes of offspring. The legacy of Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel. He is known as the father of genetics. He accurately predicted the result of his crosses. Mendelian postulate: 1. Rule of unit factors in pairs. 2. Principle of dominance and recessiveness. 3. Law of rule of unit factors in pairs. Mendel proposed that the observed garden peas were attributed to the presence of a pair of heredity factors which control the expression of a trait. They are responsible for transmission of characters from parents to offspring. Principle of dominance and recessiveness. When Mendel performed the pure breeding parental crosses, he obtained only one phenotype in the F1 generation. He called the allele of the trait expressed in the F1 generation as the dominant allele, represented with capital letter. The allele is masked but reappears in the F2 generation. Is the recessive allele, represented with small letter. It states that one unit factor in a pair may mask the expression of the other. A dominant allele is always expressed regardless of a partner allele, another dominant or recessive allele, while the expression of a recessive allele is always masked or not expressed when paired with dominant allele. Recessive alleles are expressed only when paired with another recessive allele. Law of segregation. During Mendel's time, the concept of chromosomes and cell division were not yet known. However, he hypothesized that inherited traits could be traced to the production of egg and sperm cells during meiosis. He postulated that these cells carry the heredity information, since an offspring is the result of fertilization of egg cell and sperm cell. Law of independent assortment. Mendel performed several crosses involving different traits of green peas. When he made crosses involving two pairs of traits, a type of cross called the hybrid cross, he concluded that the inheritance of one trait does not affect by the inheritance of another trait. This generalization is called the law of independent assortment. Mendel's fourth postulate. Independently from each other during. I hope you learned something.